Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am launching my Christmas card classes series as in previous years. Now, as you know, I love doing this Christmas card series mainly to help you get ready for the holidays. So this is a way for us to get ready little by little. We start in July, and what it is that we make Stampa stacks one per month. So each month you get a key to make 12 cards, so 3 of the 4 different designs that you see here. And at the end of the whole series, if you take all card classes, then you have 60 cards ready to mail for December. So it is, like I said, it is a way for me to help you get ready little by little. I love it, but it also helps me to get ready. So I definitely love it. So this is my first card class, and it features the Regal Reindeer, which is not a brand new. This one was released last year, but the paper, the designer series paper that I'm featuring, it's brand new. It's one of our online exclusives, which I am very excited, I tell you that. It is one that you can use it for multiple things, and I'm just having it here for you to see it, but you can see it is like pictures on one side of Christmas, wintry, I don't know, images, and then on the other side you have more of a generic pattern that you can use for any sort of cards. So I definitely love playing with it, and so hopefully you enjoy doing it. So this is the first card class that we're going to be doing. Now, to make this card class, you're going to be needing the bundle. Now, we no longer have the bundle pricing, but both of these items are available on my online on my online store. And by the way, I'll put a link, or I put under registration link, I put an add-on option for you to add both of these items, okay? But please know the bundle pricing is no longer available because this is an item that was released last year. So, but this is the Regal Reindeer. You can see the images, and then you have the reindeer deers. The reindeer dice, which is the ones that we're going to be using, okay? Like I said, don't worry if you don't have it. I'll put in the registration link an option for you to add it on if you want me to add it to your kit, all right? Now, the class, like I said, is going to include 12 cards, so it's 3 of each of the different designs, as you can see. It also includes a full pack of the iridescent pearls basic jewels, a pack of the new one horse open slate, so it is this one, and then a spool of the organdy, the glitter organdy ribbon, which is this one, which, oh my goodness, it just goes so well. Every time I see this, I feel like there's just no my ribbon, so I just love it. So anyway, so that's the one, that's the kit. Of course, you're going to be getting a PDF with all the measurements and the pictures, as well as the links to the video tutorials. I love doing video tutorials mainly because I can explain much better than with written words. I feel like I can show you more tips. In this particular one, I show you a video of how to assemble or paper piece this little reindeer. I also show in another video how to color with the blends the images, the trees, the reindeer, as well as the little girl. And so I feel like I can show you even more than just type instructions. So definitely I feel like you get even better value by having the video tutorials, and you get one video tutorial for each of the different cards, as well as for each of the different tips that I'm sharing with you here, like the coloring with the blends and the assembling of the reindeer. So anyway, the cost for the class, for the make and take, it is $49 plus $9 shipping, and I only ship in the US. And also the registration link will tell you the email. Sorry, you have to be on my mailing list so you get the registration link, because that's where you're going to be getting the reminders as far as registering for each of the different classes. But also, that's the main way I can share the registration link. That's more of a policy from Stampin' Up. So make sure you're on my mailing list. I'll put it on the description here so that you can go ahead and get into into my mailing list. Is actually, if you look into YouTube, it's going to be in the description down below. So you just join my email list, so you get all the information about the registrations. And then also, if you're outside of the United States, or if you're a demonstrator and you already have all of the pieces and you just want the instructions, I do sell the tutorial. So you can go at creatingwithali.com/shop, and that way you can get the tutorial for this. The tutorial for the class is $20. I believe so. Either 20 or 15. I have to check. I don't remember right now, but I think it's 15 though. I think it's maybe 15. Anyway, just check on my store, creatingwithali.com/shop. I cannot remember. It's the same that I have done in the past. And also you can check previous classes there, as well as my previous stamp stacks. So if you have the items from last year, you can by all means try to do them as well. So anyway, so thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, by all means, leave me a comment, or you can email me at ali@creatingwithali.com. Thank you so much. I hope you join me. Like I said, I feel like this is the best way to get ready for the holidays without getting all the stress or overwhelmed. I do all the designing, and you just enjoy month by month a kit to make all the cards. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.